Number 5. Number 4. Number 3.
Today at CRKT we are taking a look at the Viva keychain multi-tool designed by Leon Ma. Essentially this is just a nice little tool to carry on your belt, hang your keys off of, that sort of thing. It's got a bottle opener right here. It's got a chisel slash screwdriver, flathead screwdriver slash pry bar right there. This is made of a stainless steel. You've got box wrenches right there, a 1/4-inch hex wrench, and a couple other sizes, as well as a lanyard loop right there. Nice thing is you can hang this off your pants if you would like. You can hook your keys to it, roll with it however you would like. Pretty cool little tool designed by Leon Ma. Let me show you a shot of it on my belt loop to give you an idea of how it rides. So pretty cool little tool. The weight on it is 1.1 ounces. Let me show you a size comparison next to a ruler in inches. There you go. Overall length on this is just under 4 inches at 3.9. So pretty cool little tool. Enjoy some brewskis with your broskis. And you've also got that pry and a couple other handy little tools on there. So there you have it. It's called the Viva, designed by Leon Ma. Thanks for watching and thanks for carrying CRKT.
Number 2.
This is the dime. It's a clever mini multi-tool you can attach to a keychain. It contains 10 tools. In addition to butterfly opening stainless steel spring-loaded needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a fine edge blade, spring-loaded scissors, flat driver, tweezers, lanyard ring, and a fine and coarse file. The dime includes the retail package opener, a blade that safely cuts and scores plastic packaging. The dime's bottle opener is exposed even when the tool is closed. Store this cool little multi-tool in a pocket, a purse, or keep it on a key ring. This is the dime.
Number 1.